Hello, good morning. It's Saturday lunch at the Fredericksons and we just came back from the market and we got some glorious white and pink asparagus and I'm going to steam these standing up in my pasta strainer thingy and vinaigrette that. First rhubarb of this season. First glorious strawberries of the season.
Well, not first.
Not first, but they go first time I'm putting them together. And so I maybe you don't know how delicious rhubarb is, but it's delicious. Most people don't know how to make it, so I'm just going to show you. It kind of looks like a celery, but it's red. And I'm just going to cut it like this. Okay, just like little pieces, like you would a celery. I'm going to cut all 6 of these stalks. I'm going to put a little water here with a little bit, well, it takes a lot of sugar because that is super bitter at first. I'm going to saute them for just like a few minutes. And when they are cooked, I will not add the strawberries. Most people add the strawberries and then the strawberries lose their red gloriousness and they get soggy. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And that is our Saturday lunch dessert.
A compote, you didn't mention.
It's like a compote, but I don't want it to be too compote.
Yeah.
I wanted to kind of hold some of its loveliness and texture and structure. So I'll show you how to do that once I cut everything. And I'm just telling you, when you learn how to use the vegetables from the farmer's market, your life just opens up. It's like, oh my gosh, oh, I gotta show you this. This is young green asparagus, right? Whoa is right. And I think we're gonna saute these in a little butter, but this is what makes life exciting. Instead of just going to the supermarket and finding year-round, finding asparagus, you cook and eat with the seasons. And I don't know, I think it's really exciting. So white asparagus of the season, rhubarb of the season, strawberries of the season, young asparagus of the season. It's all about the season. Okay, so we got so excited about lunch that we forgot to keep filming. So I took these beautiful fat asparagus, cut the tips off, and dutifully took the skin off. What skin?
The outer layer.
The outer layer off and steamed it in this with a cover for probably 10 minutes, but we agreed with my father that it would have been better 3 more minutes, but I
liked it at 10 minutes.
You liked it because it was a little bit al dente, resistant to the tooth is how we say it. Crunchy. I made a lemon zest, lemon juice, lemon oil. Go ahead, kids. You're all smiling because my kids have a, say it.
Oh, Nimin. We have as she likes to call it, a baby talk problem.
They all have these like nicknames. Say it, Luki.
Nimin.
Everybody in the house is trying to get me to call it Nimin, but I will not.
But you have your own language. She calls everything a doozy, guys. She's like, can you put the doozy in the doozy?
So, anyway, we had a lemon zest, lemon juice, half a lemon, and lemon olive oil dressing with chives to go over the steamed asparagus on this really beautiful platter. But we ate it up so fast that you cannot get to see it. So I cooked the rhubarb for 5 minutes in a little water, and this is the rhubarb right here. Looks like, I should taste it.
I should too.
You should too. With, so this is a half cup of sugar. So how much sugar is that?
1/8 of a cup.
I don't know. Basically, I put it with this much sugar in a saucepan with just, just a little water because the rhubarb gives a lot of water.
So we need a bit of water.
About just a little bit of water. And then I added raw strawberries. But when they're hot, when the strawberries are with... What? Oh, I got it all over you, my love. I'm so sorry. Please forgive me.
Well, maybe your parents are that color anyways.
Yes. So this is beautiful, but then my father just informed me that he does not want rhubarb and strawberries when he could just have strawberries. So I'm going to give him just the strawberry. I'm making a roast beef and mashed potatoes, which I just want to give props to the teenagers. Thank you for peeling all the potatoes. So this is why you should have kids, so they can peel potatoes.
No.
That's not the reason why we
We're
have kids.
potato slaves.
Yeah.
Potato flip. So this is the roast beef. Claire, you excited?
I'm so excited.
This is the roast beef. This is a rump steak of beef. And anyway, we have cheeses, we have bread.
Yeah, I'm having tomato and burrata.
Oh yeah,
That's my favorite
What?
food. Yeah.
You want steak?
Yeah.
You can have burrata for dinner. Anyway, so yeah,
I'm
that's.
making
Oh,
you
wait,
mac and
wait,
cheese
wait,
for dinner.
Claire. Totally forgot.
Oh,
This is what we're doing. I bought this plant.
Is it a mint?
It's
like
not
a lemon.
lemon. So look, show my little plant. I'm
Is
gonna
it
put it on
mint or
my
basil?
It's mint, but basil would look good. I promise I will clean that tonight. Usually you do your own laundry, but now I feel bad, so I will do it.
Thank you.
All right, here's to rhubarb and strawberries, asparagus, and
Roast beef
all
and
things spring. Happy Saturday.